Hey, you know those JavaScript functions people always talk about? Map, filter, and reduce? They sound fancy, and once you get them, they'll save you so much time and make your code much easier to read. Let's go through them in 60 seconds. First up, map. Let's say you've got a list of prices in dollars, like 10, 20, 30, and you want to convert them to euros. You can do prices.map, price fat arrow, and then price times 0.9. Boom, 9, 18, 27. It transforms every item and gives you a new array. Next, filter. Imagine you've got a list of users and you only want the ones who are adults. Users.filter user fat arrow, user.age greater than or equal to 18. Now you've only got the users who can legally buy a beer. Simple and clean. And finally, reduce. This one's for when you want a single value out of an array, like adding up all those prices. Prices.reduce total comma price fat arrow and then total plus price comma 0. Now you've got the total. Super handy for shopping carts, analytics, etc. So yeah, map transforms, filter selects, and reduce combines. Master these three and you'll go from writing messy loops to writing beautiful JavaScript. Follow JSnaps for more short and helpful JavaScript explanations.